Guys, what is up? Welcome back to our next episode, episode 472 of Animals Under Fire. My name is Garmezy, glass artist, and it is good to be back in town. I actually just came back from Nashville, Tennessee last night, so it is good to be back here in Richmond, Virginia, back at the ranch and getting back to work. This is a really cool video I've got coming your way. We're gonna actually be making a glass seahorse. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the actual piece to show you because it has already been shipped off to its new home, its new owner, and that's just it. But you can see it right here. We made a beautiful piece, and it came out amazing. There's a lot going on in it, a lot of textures, a lot of details that you're gonna see in this video. We do commissions all the time. People see what we can do, and they have their own ideas of a piece they might want created in glass. So we love the challenge of new shapes and working with people from all over the world. Please sit back, relax, and watch a giant. Why is it giant? It's not a giant seahorse. Watch a normal sized seahorse be made. Roll it. All right, guys, that is it. That is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. It means the world to us that you took the time to check out a glass seahorse being made. Please let me know what you think. You know, write a question in the comments, or let me just know that you're enjoying the videos. I'll get back to it in a week or so, or maybe 2 years. But thank you anyways, and please check in next week where we'll be making a candelabra with my buddy DJ Ben Yosef. Really cool piece. I think you're gonna get a kick out of it. A deer skull candelabra. How can you beat that? But have a great week, and we will see you next time on Animals Under Fire. Please sit back, relax, and watch a glass seahorn. Yeah, watch a glass. Enjoy the seahorn.